Today we're at Casablanca. It's a new restaurant to us, anyway. Yeah, we've never been here, and it's just a cool little place with a nice little sunroom there in front to eat. And they have a drive-thru too.
For my birthday, I want a Darth Vader costume. Mommy, will you buy me a Darth Vader costume?
Maybe. That sounds like a nice idea for your birthday. That's a good thing to ask for your birthday. If that's what you want.
Look what I ate. It's sticky. Look how much I ate.
Yeah, that's about the same.
So what are you eating?
Salad.
Salad. I think. What is it called? What? Oh, let's be careful with that.
It's called a no-meat bento.
No meat bento.
It's beans and rice with lettuce and salsa.
Here's some onion.
So you didn't like the onion part, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
I want a taste of that sauce. I think
That's salad dressing.
I want some salad dressing. I think I ate a little more than salad dressing because he has more on the side. Go to drink. Please.
Are you done eating, Aubrey?
I want Daddy to put them on with my salad.
Oh, you want more dressing.
Don't laugh it out.
Laugh it out. Laugh it out. We're going to go out and play in the rain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We can do that.
At home. No. Rain for a long time.
We're gonna go to the sunroom place. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
I wanna know more about sunrooms. That would be neat to have one. Because this is a cool little room. And the sunroom place is just next door. That's kind of handy.
Whoa.
Sun shower.
Yeah, cool. Wow.
Mommy, is this the sunburn place?
Sunburn place.
The sunburn place?
First it was a sunny place, now it's a sunburn place. Mommy is the sunroom place. It's a room for letting the sun in.
Firemen have to go really fast because people are really in trouble.
That's right. That's very true.
Look how much I ate.
Ooh, yes.
You're gonna eat it all.
I can't believe you.
In the fire
You're
dog.
just packing it away.
Fire
Piling it in.
Fire.
Wowie zowie. So I guess you liked it, huh? Yeah. What was in it? Black beans and brown rice.
Dressing.
I'm sorry?
Dressing.
Dressing.
The dressing's what makes it all work, huh?
Oh yeah, dressing pulls it all together. Dressing's the best.
It's all about the dressing. Blankets on this truck.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh, can we do something like that? This is nutty.
More to rain now.
I don't know. Go ask Daddy. Yeah. Well, don't eat the grass. If the hail is grassy. Oh my goodness.
Oh. I don't
it all dirty?
No.
The hail?
Here. Here, taste the hail.
Just wipe the grass off. That hail was big before, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well, come with us.
Crazy.
Over here. Mommy, come with us.
Okay. Yeah?
What are the cactus?
The cactus? You what? You finding more hail? Hail to eat?
I got my whole rat.
You got what?
I got my whole body.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at you. Crazy boy.
I'm gonna sit down.
You're so crazy.
My bottom is soaking wet.
You're gonna need a serious bath, my friend,
Yep.
to warm your body up.
This is cold. Water me! Water me, Aubrey! Okay, I will. You can get yourself watered in that puddle. Oh, no. Water me! Nama nama nami, nama nama nami. Water me, water me. No!
That was one crazy storm.
Come with us. Come with us.
I'm coming.
Oh. Look at here.
Uh-huh, big drain, huh?
Oh. That is so. More further. Come on, Aubrey. Mommy, I'm ready to go have a warm bath.
Yeah, that sounds good.